naragsak, kanagasat, nga rabii tayo amin. This is Maria Stephanie Bigornia, 21 from the dying capital of the North, Santo Tomas, La Union. Good evening and happy fiesta!
Hey! Tuklak na naman pa.
Good evening, everyone. This is Sherry Jean Bahet, all the way from the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio.